I feel crazy. Hey you guys, it's Harper here, and I am back with obviously another video. And today we have a wig. Yes, a wig to present to you. Now I know I've had some other videos where my wigs have been $30, real cheap, you know, because that was my budget at the time. Ever since then my coins have grown, so I was able to pick up a cuter, more expensive wig. This wig was about $148 altogether. Shipping was free, and it's from Premiere Lace Wigs. So I'm so excited to introduce her to you. Now this is the first time I've opened it, so we're doing this together as a family. Let's get into it. So Premiere, here we have it. Open her up, and it says not just natural looking. I love it. So this is human hair. They gave me a gift. Okay, a compact mirror. That's cute. Oh, that's cute. Okay, we'll need her. We'll need her. The wig cap is not my skin color. It's white. Okay, well, I'm gonna use it anyways, because this is what they gave me. Now you know they did not do that right. So they give you 4 clips. I think the placement is perfect. You get 2 on the sides, 1 in the back, and 1 in the middle. It feels so secure on my head, so you never have to worry about your wig being snatched off. The wig cap is a mess, I know, but the hair color that I chose was natural color, and that's just the option they gave me. The cap size is a medium, and the lace color is medium brown. Oh, these pieces might be for like edges and stuff, so that's cute. I feel like Caitlyn Jenner. Okay. I think what I'm going to do is cut this lace. That's step number 1. And then I'm going to put her back on my head, heat up my flat iron, and I know the style is for the front to be long like this, but I think I'm going to cut a little bit of it so that way when I curl it, it looks a little bit more feathered and short and together instead of what this is now. I'm kind of nervous that this style is not going to look cute on me, but if we can just work together on this, we can make things happen. So I'm going to cut it. So now we're literally just putting her on. Cutting the lace was pretty simple. Just don't cut the hair. Do not cut the actual wig. Very simple and easy. Okay, I see you, girl. So you see me like really filling the wig now. My flat iron preheated. Now I'm going to cut the hair just a little bit. And we're not completely slicing it off. Just little snip, snip, snip. And now I'm going to pass through the hair with the flat iron. I tell you, this hair is beautiful. It's gorgeous. It feels good. I wasn't scared, not one bit, with the flat iron. It flat irons really well, so I was really pleased. And as you can see here, I sectioned my hair up from bottom to top. And my intention was not to curl the entire piece, but I just felt like the curls would give a more flirty look for my face structure. The straight hair just didn't look good on me. I will say, without any product, the wig does hold heat and curls very well. So here I am at my last few pieces, and I think I love it. I think I'm actually in love. Yes, that's approval. Yes! Okay, I absolutely love this wig. Okay, so I really thought I wasn't gonna like it because it just looked weird, and it's bomb. This is great. I love this. I love this wig. It is human hair. and it reacts as such. I put 400 degrees of heat on this, and this wig, oh my gosh, even with the blonde wig cap, this wig is everything right now. Like, I'm gonna wear her all the time. My verdict is Premiere Lace Wigs sells good wigs. They didn't charge me for shipping and handling, which was great, $148. And I love it. I love this. I don't know why I picked up these shades, but I'm giving you Jackie O. I love it. I'm giving you Presidential. I'm giving you Coming to Steal Your Man. Premiere Lace Wigs, they came through. This is the short bob, and it's short, really short, and it's short in the back, and then longer in the front, and I'm sold. I will definitely be buying more and doing way more wigs for you from this company. And if you guys know any companies, please let me know. I'm floored. I'm absolutely floored. So yeah, talk to you guys later.